guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. So just really quick, I have just a little public service announcement, if you will. Guys, please be respectful and considerate to all of our veterans who might suffer from PTSD. And of course, all the fur babies out there who are terrified by the loud fireworks. So just be, conscious of all that as you guys celebrate your 4th of July. So today we're going to do my macaroni salad. It's a really delicious recipe, guys. I really think you guys are going to enjoy it. Perfect time for 4th of July. So here's the list of ingredients you guys are going to need. You're going to need 1 pound of elbow macaroni. For the seasonings, you're going to need salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some dried dill. You're going to need some celery salt. You're going to need some fresh parsley. You're going to need some mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, some white distilled vinegar. You're going to need a small red onion. I can only find a large one, so I'll just cut that probably in a quarter. You're going to need some tomatoes. You're going to need some bacon. That's right, I said bacon. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make Rexy's macaroni salad. So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys, so I have everything set up for you guys so you weren't bored. All I did was I cooked some bacon and just chopped it up into little pieces. And I'm going to put all the measurements and ingredients in the description box, of course, for you guys. So here's my diced red onion. I used a quarter. This is about a third or so. Parsley, my fresh parsley that I went ahead and chopped up. I have 4 plump tomatoes that I've rinsed really well and then just diced them up. I have my mayonnaise, my Grey Poupon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, some celery salt, onion powder, dill, garlic powder, and then my pasta. And then all I did with the pasta was I cooked it al dente and then rinsed it with some cold water to stop the cooking process. And then drained it and let it dry really well. We don't want any water in the salad. And then I have my white distilled vinegar over here. And that's it. So basically we're just going to put everything together in the bowl, and I'll go ahead and measure what I think it needs to be, and then we can always check for seasoning. But of course we'll taste it along the way, and then whatever I end up using I'll put in the description box. Like I said, what we're going to do is put everything in the bowl and I'll measure as I go. So here's the cooked pasta, and we'll see if this bowl is going to be big enough for all this pasta. Now this isn't going to be big enough, of course, so I'm going to get another bowl. Alright, let's try this one. That's better. I should have known that wasn't going to be big enough. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that now. Alright, so we're going to first start with the mayonnaise. And I'm going to say, for now, 2 cups of mayonnaise. I could stop splattering it everywhere. Let's say that's a cup. Mess with the mayonnaise. This is why I don't measure, guys. I'm freaking spilling mayonnaise everywhere. It's just one of those days. Alright, we'll say that's 2 cups. And like I said, we'll taste and as we go along. Alright, now for the Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. Maybe it's not my day to be doing a video. For the Dijon mustard, we're going to say 3 tablespoons. case we need it. Okay, so now for the seasoning. Of course, we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. And this is such a delicious macaroni salad, guys. And it's really quick and easy to put together, besides the prep work. Prepping is always time consuming. We're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of the celery salt. Which I should have just enough. I hope we don't need more of that. Gotta get some more of that. Alright, for the garlic and the onion, we're going to do, we'll say 1 teaspoon. For now. There's the garlic, and now for the onion. And for the dill, we'll say 1/2 for now. Okay, for the white distilled vinegar, I'm going to say for now we'll do 2 tablespoons. And like I say, guys, I don't usually measure this stuff out, but I'm pretty good with how much stuff I put in. And you know me, I always like to do just a little bit less, and then I can add as we go. Because you can't take away, but you can always add too. Alright, so we're going to just give this a quick mix right now. Get all this goodness incorporated. This is so good, guys. I hope you guys try this. And if you do, I would love to hear in the comments. I always love and appreciate when you guys do my recipes, or even come up with your own and tweak them. I love that. I'm always honored by it. I love to hear back. It really makes me happy. Especially when you guys love the recipes. So. Alright guys, so this is looking good. It smells really delicious. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to taste for seasoning before I add the rest of the stuff. Just to see if the seasoning is good. It's so good. You taste the Grey Poupon. That's so good, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Actually, it doesn't need anything. So, toot to me. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes. We're going to add our parsley. And it was 1/3 of a cup. I measured that. And then 1/4. So I would just say a small red onion. And then our delicious bacon. Because everything is better with bacon. Look how pretty that looks, guys. It looks so pretty. It smells so good. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this really good. If I can, without flinging it. Because I'm always flinging stuff. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to refrigerate this for, you know, just a couple of hours. Just refrigerate it before you guys eat it. Everything can get married together and become more delicious. Actually, I'm going to use this spoon. This one's going to be better, yeah. And this is a really good macaroni salad for the 4th of July if you guys want to make it. I don't think anybody's going to complain. I've never had a complaint on my macaroni salad. And it always goes, so it looks good. So what I'm gonna do before we taste it with everything is I am going to, it looks beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this and refrigerate this for at least an hour, and then we will come back and taste it together. That's how quick this was. Quick and easy. Easy peasy. So I'm going to refrigerate this and we'll be back in about an hour, but you guys will be back in a second, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, mine was in the refrigerator for exactly 1 hour. Like I said, at least an hour before you guys eat it. Look at that, guys. Does that look delicious? It smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and taste a little bit. I'm going to try to get a little bit of everything. I absolutely love this salad. So I'm going to take a little bit of everything, a tomato and some bacon, an onion, I got a bunch of chunks of bacon. Guys, this is so good. So delicious. It's perfect. I absolutely love it. And it has bacon in it. You can't go wrong with bacon. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I enjoyed making it for you. I know it's just a little quick video to put together, but I figured it was perfect time for 4th of July or whenever. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And again, happy 4th of July, guys. Be safe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.